The management process is a process workflow that is used in both private and public organizations. It has four basic functions of administrative process: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of the management process and about its first two functions, planning and organizing.
The management process is incredibly important for any organization. It is especially important because it relies on the prevention of future events and on the control of the resource in a systematic and organized way.
Without it, something like this could happen.
Hey, partner, I have some bad news regarding our new corn business.
What happened?
Well, one of our machines is broken and we need money to repair it. But we didn't let any money in the budget for repairs.
Where are we going to get more money from? What are we going to do?
Now on to planning. Strategic planning is used to set priorities, focus energy and resources, and ensure that employees and stakeholders are working toward common goals.
This leads us onto the mission. A mission statement is a brief description of a company purpose.
Juan Carlos, we need a mission statement. Why is it that our business exists?
Our mission statement is to offer quality corn to Mexican families.
On the other hand, a vision statement is a future-oriented declaration of the organization's purpose and aspirations.
Hey, Alex, I was wondering, what do we wish to become in the future?
Good question. Well, we want to become the main seller of corn in Mexico, as well as to sell corn in all the continents.
There are other aspects considered in planning. The company needs to set objectives, policies, procedures, rules, programs, and have a budget.
Organizing involves developing an organizational structure and allocating human resources to ensure the accomplishment of objectives.
There are different principles under organization. We have the principle of specialization.
Well, and Alex, my plan is that for the corn plantations, we have someone specialized exactly and only into insecticides.
Yes, Margarito should be in charge of that. Robert should be in charge of the machinery and its maintenance.
Hey, and you know what? Alejandra should be in charge of marketing, you know?
There's a principle of unity of objectives, which means that all departments should work toward the same goal. The principle of coordination means that different departments need to complement the others so the company can function as a whole.
And also we should have a good communication system.
Yes, the manager should have reunions every once in a while, so that there aren't any confusions and they all work together.
Yeah, they should all work towards the same goals in the company.
The scholarship depicts the hierarchical positioning of all employees. The unity of command states that a subordinate should only report to and get orders from a superior at time in order to avoid confusion.
And the manager of marketing should be Alejandra, and every employee in marketing will respond only to her.
Yes, and the same thing applies to the production department.
Delegation and centralization is the process of distributing powers across the organization structure. The principle of accountability and responsibility facilitates the process of understanding what went wrong and where the therapy rectifying and organizing.
Every manager will be in charge of their departments and be responsible for them.
That way, we will be able to facilitate the control of the company. The power will be distributed and we will know where and when something goes wrong so that we can fix it.
The organization process has steps. The first step is the identification and division of work. The second step is grouping the jobs and department.
There are different types of organization. There are tall organizations in which there are multiple layers between the workers and managers. On the other hand, a flat organization has little to no levels.
The divisional organization structures its activity around a market, product, or a specific group of consumers. A matrix structure diagram is a hybrid of divisional and functional structure, which is used to reporting levels both horizontally as well as vertically.
A line of organization is characterized by the direct commands from the top to the bottom of the organizational hierarchy. Now, a functional area type of organization is where there are some managers in various sections of the company having control over those sections specifically.